Hello everyone, hi again and welcome back to another lecture on Java programming. So in this particular video, we will dive into the basic syntax of a Java program and we will understand the structure. Also, we will write the simple Java program, okay? And we will see a message of hello world, okay? So let's see. So what is the basic syntax and structure of a Java program? So in every Java program, basically it starts with a class. What is a class? A class is nothing but it is a blueprint of a real life entity. Suppose there is an animal and you want to represent this animal in our Java program, so you have to write as animal as a class. And same way we have this object, this cow, dog, these are the objects. Also we will discuss these things in oops chapter in very much detail. So every Java program starts with a class and the file name should match with the class name. Suppose your file name, okay, so your class name is animal, so your file name should be animal.java, okay, in which you have to write this animal class. So the file name should match with the class name. And also the entry point of a Java application is a main method. So here you can see that this is our main method. And since Java is a case sensitive language, we have to also take care of these things as well. And here we and you can see the structure of a basic Java program, okay. Now let's open our Visual Studio Code. We already have made one video about that, how you set up this VS Code, as well as how you set up paths with Java compiler, as well as workspace in this VS Code. Also, we already have discussed about different kind of extensions like Code Runner and also for Java debuggers, so that you have to must install in your VS Code. So what is it? This is a workspace and it is nothing but a file path. So where you have to store your Java file. So I'm just writing a new file here. Also you can just use Control N. So I'm just going to write our first program, that is nothing but hello world. Okay, so this is nothing but a class name or a file name. So we have to put .java extension for a file name. Okay, so right now you can see this hello world is a class. Okay, and what is the second thing? Second thing is that we have to write the entry point of a Java program. What is that? That is simply public static void main. Okay, and this is our string array. Now also you can see we have to write this parenthesis. When you start writing a class, you have to open this parenthesis and also you have to close it. And also we have to do same thing for this function as well. And right now what we have to do, we're going to write a simple statement, okay, and this is a function System.out.println, okay, and here we can write any kind of message we want. So I'm just writing as hello world, okay, let's put it first capital, yes, hello world, yeah, this is your first Java program. So in this way you can write your first Java program. Now we're going to understand how can we compile it. So we're going to first use this terminal, okay. So here you can go there and just navigate that this is your terminal. Also, how can you open it? You just gonna use this shortcut. I'm just clicking there as a new terminal. So right now this is our path where you're gonna store your Java file. So this is our Java file. First save it, okay. So also we already discussed about dot class file. When you compile a Java program, it converts it into a dot class file. And since it's a Java is a platform independent language, that dot class file will convert into the machine language depend upon the operating system by the Java compiler. So right now what we have to do, we have to just compile this Java code. So just write this command java c, okay, and what we have to do, we have to just write this file name hello world. Make sure your file name is correct, okay, and just click it enter. What you're gonna see, you're gonna see there is a dot class file in your folder Java Cypress Academy, okay, which basically understand by the Java compiler depends upon the operating system. Since I'm using Windows, so Java compiler will convert this dot class file into the machine code. Now let's see what is our output, simply we have to write the file name. Correct. Since this is our file name, we have to just use this java command, java hello world, nothing, just. So you can see this is our output. Suppose you want to change some message inside this hello world, this is your first program. Okay, now what we have to do, again you have to save it. Okay, and you can simply go there and run it as well. So hello world, this is your first program. This is basically our JSON file. Okay, for that we don't need to write our these commands java c and anything. Okay, we already have discussed this in previous lectures as well. So right now you can see how can you write your first java program and also how can you compile it. So in this next lecture we're going to discuss everything in much detail about what is this public, what is this class, what is this class name, and all other syntax. Okay, so thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel. This is your friend Atul, and we will see you in our next lecture. Thank you.